Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Mike the Muppet Modeler here, and before we get started, as always, I would like to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, new and existing. It's really appreciated, thank you very much. The B17 final video has gone over 900 views, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much everybody, and had really good feedback and comments on it as well, so I'm really well chuffed on that, thank you. But anyway, back to today and back onto the Tiger One again. Before I do start, I would like to say that I did find the part that pinged off. It was just to my right on the edge of the bench. It was upside down, it was almost camouflaged but not quite, but I did find it and I stuck it straight away. It was this piece here, just above where the idler wheel goes. Now I'm wondering, do I no, I don't think I need to, so I won't say anything, that's fine. Right, so the next part, step 3, what I'll try and do is try and get step 3 and 4 done in this video, although step 4 is some of the road wheels, which I'm not going to put on because I'll airbrush those individually and do the camo on them and everything before attaching them to the tank. So, but we'll put the spindles on the ends and do the few other bits and pieces. So let's get started. We want 16 of those. Which I believe on here. So again, what I'll do is cut these off, and then I'll do all the cleanup and everything off camera. That way you guys aren't just sat there watching me with a sanding stick for half an hour. So when I've cut these off and I've got them all cleaned up, I'll be back. See you in a moment. Right guys, all cut off, all cleaned up, so now time for fitting. I'll do it again, I'll do a couple and then, well, it shouldn't take too long just to push these in anyway. Using Revell Contactor Professional. I don't think my Tamiya Extra Thin is too it's drying too quick at the moment with the heat. There's no little lugs or anything on these, it's just a round peg going into a round hole basically. One side. Obviously these take a little bit longer to dry. I think they should make a new movie for me. Ed Wood sausage fingers, not scissor hands. I think these might have been a little bit better if they'd been moulded as one piece, might be stronger. So there you go. Now the next bit, let's go for S13. The first sprue I'll come across. Awesome. Two S sprues. I don't know if you can see, but there's some really nice detail on that. Really nice nuts and bolts detail. Right, now there you go, like that, facing the rear. Try a bit of Tamiya, see what happens, see if I can get the part into place. That is, in the right place, that is. Better. That. Again, make sure that I'm putting it in the right way round. They all seem to be the same, all go have the same orientation. That's good. Then we got the two drive sprockets. Not the drive sprockets, the oh, I don't know, transmission. I think. Just sand that and make sure that's nice and flat, otherwise it's not going to marry up properly. That one. Didn't want to do that really, did I? What an idiot. That fits in there really well, which again I'm going to use contactor for. It's quite a large area. I think by the time I've got the Tamiya on and halfway round, the first part would have been dry again. So do that. We'll let that sit for a moment before we move on. It's obviously NMO. Again guys, hope you can see that. Look at the detail on those nuts and bolts. Amazing. Lovely. I think that goes there, like so. So we shall just have a bash at Tamia. Put some around the edge. The reason, well, one of the reasons why I'm not going to do the road wheels straight away is because there's 32 of them. As anyone that's built German armour before knows. So I will take time as they are pretty big as well, and make sure I get them right, obviously. Do I do this now? So I think hang on a sec guys while I find sprue tea. No, well, found sprue tea. And I'm just sticking this part on. And on the other side, these can only go on one way. If I can show somehow without getting my fingers in the way. This end, the raised part on the edge is squared off. This part is chamfered off, so it will only go in. If I can show you this way. There's the chamfered piece, there's the straight bit, so it'll only go round one way. So although there's obviously one on each side, they both slot into their respective places, and that's it. That's the only way, the only place they'll go. So we go from that. colours. Yeah, I suppose I can do this bit. S24. Which is a small what's nice about this as well, although everything is going together absolutely beautifully, what is so nice about it is that the sprues are numbered. Well, the items on the sprues are all numbered, but they're all numbered in order, so you're not hunting all over the sprue to find a part, which I've had in the past in some kits where it will start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then number 6 will be in the middle there somewhere or something like that. I'm not moaning, I'm not complaining, I'm just saying that it makes life a little bit easier, which it does. Then we have, goes on there with a peg going. Oh, what a snug fit. Brilliant. That is lovely. So, oh, beautiful. That is excellent. So what I will do now, I think, is I'll just put the body to one side, because I'm going to try and make up the idler. We'll see how we get on. So we want number 20. Number 14. Okay. 15. S10 and 11. What we'll do is just do one at a time, obviously. It's too big to be able to do more than one at a time anyway. Not sure that's a bit that needs taking off. Yeah, so shall leave that. So I think it goes like that. I think that might be a couple of ejector pin parts there that need to come off. And scrape them level. Which isn't difficult because, as I said, the plastic is quite soft. So that, I think, goes like that. And this goes in there like that. Then this bit goes in there like that. Then that will go in there like that. Then that will go in there like that. What a nice little unit. Do that, and that should, once it's in there, allow that to move, unless it goes on that bit, which I don't think it does anyway. Gonna have to be a bit careful, I think, with gluing this, because obviously, like I say, I do want it to move. But that's not going to. Gonna have to go thinking about it. I'm gonna have to glue the centerpiece. And we'll put that to one side and we'll do the other one. That's the one that I've done. Right, so we want 11 and 10. $14 and $50. and we want 20.
Yeah.
That's not it, is it? Read the instructions, Mike. Don't be an idiot all your life. Put that in there. Squeeze it all together. And when it's done, the wheel should still be able to move. Happy days. So there we go, guys. Just keeping it sort of short. Try to do 2 steps at a time. Hope you can follow that easy enough if you're doing the same build. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.